Hey there, see a charge on your Chase statement you don't recognize? Disputing a fraudulent charge is your right, and Chase makes the process clear and customer-friendly. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to start a dispute. Log into your account online or in the app, find the suspicious transaction, and click on it. Look for the option to dispute transaction or report a problem. You'll select a reason, like, I didn't make this purchase. Provide any details you have. Chase will typically issue a provisional credit while they investigate, which can take up to 90 days. They may also cancel your current card number and issue a new one for security. My crucial pro tip: call immediately for clear fraud. If your card was lost, stolen, or you see multiple fraudulent charges, call the number on the back of your card first. This gets the card frozen and the formal fraud process started faster than an online dispute for individual charges. That's how you act swiftly to protect your money and your credit. Have you ever had to dispute a charge? What was the outcome? Share your experience in the comments. For more essential security guides, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.